Leaving Monkey Mia, we base ourselves at Murchison House Station so we can visit Kalbarri National Park. Further south, we visit Kalbarri and Hutt Lagoon. We find a ripper free camp at Cliffhead before we see the unique Pinnacles at Nambung National Park.
So here we are, Murchison House Station. This is a working cattle station, 10 minutes from Kalbarri National Park. We're going to try and free camp tonight. There's no free camps within 45 minutes at the best of Kalbarri National Park. Now we want to get up really early tomorrow to do the Skywalk and the Nature's Window. And to get up early enough to factor in the 45-minute drive is just getting a bit silly. So we've forked up the cash. Happy days. We've got us an unpowered site, but check this out. It's an absolute cracker. We've got a swing. We're on the waterfront virtually. Jade might have a little bit of a crack at some fishing. Some sort of muddy freshwater fish. But whatever, it's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's good fun.
I enjoy it. And hope that I can catch something.
Ah, you will.
With corn.
With corn.
The scenery is nice. There's goats.
I'm actually having a cup of tea and I'm kind of enjoying the fire from here.
So here we are at Murchison Station or something. We found some friends.
It looks like a reindeer.
Called this one Reindeer.
No, Rudolph!
It's Rudolph because it looks like a reindeer. Hello buddy.
How are you?
Hi.
I love goats.
Yeah, whenever we're at a place with goats,
I'm like, who wants to go see the goats with me? Go right.
those goats are outstanding in their field, aren't they? No? Okay. Goodbye.
Here it is.
Wow.
So Kalbarri is a coastal town that a lot of the West Australians from down south go off on holiday at. It has a real feel of just being a holiday village. You can see why. Excellent surfing waves, beautiful beaches, pretty cool playground for the kids too. Now we're going to go to Pink Lake, or it's called Hutt Lagoon, and it's only about a half-hour drive away. Yes.
We were going to stay on a caravan park in the middle of Geraldton, but then everybody was there, so then we had to move on for another hour.
We're getting a bit closer to Perth now. We found this campsite called Cliff Head. There's the ocean, and there's the campsite.
Yeah.
Direct ocean front view. Jaden's doing some fishing and he's catching a lot of weed fish. On this horizon here, there's what appears to be silhouette of an enormous seagull standing on the horizon.
That's not a seagull.
What is it?
Oil rig.
Yeah, an oil rig. Yeah, but it looks like a seagull. Here we are. Cliff Head.
Nature's window and Skywalk. And a Skywalk, yeah. We wanted to get there a bit early because we figured photos would be best at sunrise. And they were. And they were. And we actually got there and there was nobody there. Then we went to Skywalk. It was very high up. It's like 100 metres drop underneath the Skywalk. Yeah. It was really cool. I was quite impressed.
I actually like the Nature's Window more than the Skywalk, because at the Nature's Window you can just hang on to the rocks and get a photo, and it looks like you're hanging from 100 metres in the air.
Oh, the Pink Lake. That was awesome. Yeah, well, I felt like I was in a fantasy movie. It doesn't taste like strawberries. And it tastes like salt.
Because it's a salt lake.
I know. But now we're at Cliff Head and we're about to watch the sunset. There it is.
What are the Pinnacles?
They're like big rocks sticking out the ground. It's really bizarre.
Yeah, they look like ant mounds.
Maybe you'll have to find out what they are exactly.
I found a Pinnacles emu and a Pinnacles wallaby.